Hey there, it's Dawn D'Amico, your trusted realtor, and welcome to Maximize Your Home. Whether you're selling, buying, or just sprucing up your space, I'm here to share the best tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your home. Don't forget to hit that like button and, more importantly, subscribe for more tips that'll save you headaches and a few bucks down the road. So you're thinking about going the for sale by owner route. I get it. Saving on those agent fees sounds like a win, right? But trust me, it's not quite as simple as throwing up a for sale sign in the yard and calling it a day. You know those HGTV shows that make selling look effortless? Real estate isn't all glamorous camera angles and instant buyers, especially when you're the one doing all the heavy lifting. But hey, I'm not here to crush your dreams of solo selling. I'm here to prep you for what it's really like and help you avoid all the avoidable oops moments. So let's dive into the good, the bad, and the really wish I'd known about selling on your own. First up, photos. Everyone's got a phone with a portrait mode, but trust me, this is not the time to channel your inner creative. When I say professional photos, I mean actual wide shots, bright lighting, the kind that makes rooms look spacious and inviting, like a magazine cover. Imagine scrolling through the Instagram feed full of dark, blurry pictures. It doesn't exactly scream, "Buy me," does it? Nope. And the buyers will feel the same way. If you're tempted to have a friend snap a few pics, remember, this isn't a family reunion slideshow. Your home needs to look like the after shot on a home reno show, not the before shot. The goal is to make people stop scrolling and say, wow, that's the one. Now let's chat about pricing. This is where things get interesting. Setting a price is not just throwing out a number that sounds good or guessing based on what you feel your home is worth. You've got to do some homework. Check out what similar homes in your area have sold for recently and try to get a feel for what buyers are willing to pay right now. Think of pricing like a strategic game. If you price too high, buyers will skip over your listing faster than someone dodging their ex at the grocery store. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. If your home is overpriced, it's like hosting a party where nobody shows up. Crickets, my friends. Price it right, and you've got a much better chance of seeing those potential buyers actually walk through the door, not just dream about it. And remember, if selling on your own starts to feel like more work than you expected, I'm just a message away. Let's make sure your home gets the spotlight it deserves without the hassle. Once you've decided to go the DIY route for selling your home and you have your price and photos in place, it's time to dive into showing your home and marketing it like a pro. Think of your home as a star about to hit the stage. You've got to make it shine. Step one is staging. Now, staging doesn't mean you have to hire a designer or fill your space with fancy furniture, but it does mean you've got to make your place look welcoming. Clean up, declutter, and make it look like a place you'd want to walk into. Think bright, open spaces that say, come on in. Remove personal items like family photos and quirky knickknacks. We want buyers to picture their life here, not yours. Pro tip, a few neutral touches can go a long way. If you've got a lime green accent wall or a bold collection of vintage action figures, it might be time to tone things down. You want buyers to picture their lives here, not get distracted by your unique sense of style. Now let's talk about marketing, because trust me, just having a sign in the yard won't do the trick. In today's world, social media is your best friend. Share those pro photos and list your home on popular platforms, but be ready for the window shoppers. You know, those folks who are just browsing and nowhere near ready to buy. And tell everybody you know, friends, family, coworkers, even your neighbor's dog walker. You never know who might know someone who's serious about buying. Remember, you're your own best hype person here. Finally, there's a little matter of showings. Get ready to be a tour guide, because as the seller, you're the one showing your place off. Imagine having a last-minute showing request right in the middle of lunch, or when you've just kicked back with a cup of coffee. Fun times, right? Just be prepared to do a quick cleanup so buyers see your home at its best every time. And hey, if all of this sounds like a bit more work than you bargained for, just reach out. I'm here to take the stress off your plate and make sure your home shines for those serious buyers. You've done the work to prepare your home to sell on your own, and now the offers are starting to roll in. With potential buyers interested, it's time to dig into the details and navigate through the closing process like a pro. Now, here's where things can get tricky, especially if you end up with multiple offers. Think of this like a game of strategy. You want the best deal, but remember, the highest offer isn't always the best one. Look closely at each offer's details. Sometimes a slightly lower offer with fewer contingencies, those just-in-case conditions buyers love to include, could mean a faster and smoother deal. It's like a puzzle, and you want all the pieces to fit just right. Once you've picked the right offer, you're halfway there. But don't get too comfortable. There's still a bit of a roller coaster ahead. Between now and closing, you'll have inspections, appraisals, and a good dose of paperwork. Buyers these days can be picky. They're looking for the perfect deal, and they're not afraid to walk away if things get too complicated. So be ready for a few back and forths to keep the deal moving. And inspections are one of the biggest hurdles. This is where the buyer's team goes through your home with a fine-tooth comb, looking for any issues. No one loves hearing it, but it's all part of the process. You may need to negotiate repairs or offer a credit, but that's all part of keeping things moving and on track. And then there's the paperwork. Closing is like the last episode of a binge-worthy series. Everything's got to come together just right. You've got contracts, disclosures, and agreements to sign off on. Don't worry, it is a lot, but it's manageable with the right support. And hey, if this process starts feeling like more than you can handle, reach out. I can step in as your realtor and handle all the details, from negotiating to closing, to make sure your home gets the attention it deserves without the overwhelm. Let's make that closing day a big win. Thanks for spending time with me here on Maximize Your Home. From preparing your home to attract buyers, setting the right price, to navigating offers and closing, these steps are here to guide you confidently through every part of the selling process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to maximize your home's value. And as always, if you have any questions or you just want to chat about the home selling journey, drop a comment below and let's maximize your home together.